much else you to do around here. I'm gonna go to the store and get some drinks. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Camera, get here! My God, why is it facing the wrong way? You gotta go to the store. There's a giant store fridge. You need to get some juice. I don't know. I'm gonna check around over there. There's milk. My dad never got me to get the milk. Hey, what happened? What happened?